Welcome to the English listening channel of Peak English. Hello everyone. How are you today? Today we're going to look at a conversation at a cafe. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing story. It is about two co-workers, Alex and Amelia. They are taking a break at a cafe. Don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly. This will help you learn everyday English. You will learn useful cafe vocabulary, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What kind of coffee does Alex like to drink? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. Writing your answer in English is very helpful. You can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
I'm so tired today.
You look tired, Alex. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But I need a break. I really need a break.
Me too. I've been working all day. I need a break too.
It's been a long day. Do you want to get a drink?
A drink? Yes. That sounds really good.
What kind of drink do you want?
I think I want coffee. What about you?
I want coffee too. I really need coffee right now. Coffee gives me energy.
Me too. Coffee always helps. Let's go to a cafe.
A cafe? That's a great idea. Do you know a good cafe near here?
Yes, there is a nice cafe just around the corner. It's very close.
Oh, really? I didn't know there was a cafe near our office.
Yes, it opened last month. I go there sometimes for coffee.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Let me finish this email first.
Sure. Take your time. I'll get my bag and my jacket.
Okay, I'm done. I'm ready now. Let's go get some coffee.
Great. I'm so excited. I love going to cafes.
Me too. A good cup of coffee makes everything better.
That's so true. Okay, let's go.
Alex and Amelia walk to the cafe together. They are standing outside the cafe now.
Here we are. This is the cafe.
Oh, wow. This cafe is nice. It looks really nice from the outside.
Wait until you see the inside. Let's go in.
Wow. It's even nicer inside. It's very cozy in here.
It smells like coffee. Can you smell it? I love that smell.
Yes. It smells so good in here. I love the smell of fresh coffee. Look at this place. It's beautiful.
Yes. The tables are very nice, and the chairs look comfortable.
And look at the counter over there. It's big and clean.
Yes, the counter is beautiful. I can see all the drinks behind it.
And look! They have cakes and sandwiches over there too. They look so good.
Oh, they really do. Everything looks delicious. There are many people here today. This cafe is very popular.
I can see why. It's a really nice place. The music is nice too. It's very relaxing.
Yes, it is. This is a perfect place for a break. Let's find a table and sit down. How about this table? This table by the window.
Oh, that's perfect. I love sitting by the window. Let's sit at this table.
Great. Let's sit down.
These chairs are really comfortable. And this table is clean.
Yes, everything is very clean here. I really like this cafe already. Okay, where is the menu? We need to look at the menu.
Look, here it is. The menu is right here on the table.
Oh, good. Let me see the menu.
Here. Let's look at the menu together.
Okay, so what do you want to drink?
Let me think. There are so many drinks on the menu.
Yes, they have a lot of drinks. They have coffee, of course.
And they have tea, too. I like tea.
They also have lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos. There are so many drinks to choose from.
Oh. A latte sounds nice. What is the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Well, a latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam on top.
I see. I like milk. So I think a latte is better for me.
And look, they have iced coffee and iced tea too.
Oh, nice. Do you want a hot drink or an iced drink?
I want a hot drink. I always drink hot coffee. I like hot coffee the best.
Hot coffee is good, but I think today I want something iced. It's a little warm outside.
That makes sense. So, you want an iced drink?
Yes. I want an iced latte. An iced latte sounds perfect for today.
An iced latte. That does sound nice. Do you want anything in your coffee? Sugar? Milk?
Yes, I want a little sugar and milk. What about you? Do you want milk or sugar?
No, thank you. I don't want sugar, and I don't want milk. I like black coffee. Just coffee, nothing else.
Wow. Really? Black coffee is very strong. I can't drink black coffee.
I know it's strong, but I like the strong taste.
I like a lot of milk and a little sugar in my coffee. Black coffee is too strong for me.
That's okay. Everyone is different. Some people like it strong. Some people like it sweet.
That's true. Okay. So you will have a hot coffee, black, and I will have an iced latte with milk and sugar.
Sounds good. Should we also look at the food? I'm getting a little hungry.
Yes. Let's look at the food menu too. Are you hungry, Amelia?
Yes, I am a little hungry. Actually, I'm quite hungry. I didn't eat much for lunch today.
Oh, me too. I only had a small lunch today. Let's get something to eat.
Good idea. Let me look at the food menu. What kind of food do they have?
Let's see. They have cake, sandwiches, cookies, muffins, and bread.
That's a lot of choices. Everything looks good.
I know. It's hard to choose. I want to try everything.
Oh, look at this. This cake looks really good. Look at this picture on the menu.
Oh, wow. That cake looks delicious. It looks very sweet.
Yes, it does. I think I want the cake. It looks sweet and fresh.
That's a good choice. I want a sandwich. I'm really hungry, so I need something big.
The sandwiches here look very fresh. Look at the bread.
Yes, the bread looks so fresh and soft. I'll have a sandwich.
What about the cookies? The cookies also look good.
They do look good, but I think the sandwich is enough for me. What about a muffin? Do you want to try a muffin?
Maybe later. The cake is enough for me right now. I don't want to eat too much.
Okay. So you want the cake and I want the sandwich?
Yes, that's right. And a hot black coffee for me.
And an iced latte for me? Okay, let's go order at the counter.
Let me go order. No, it's okay. I'll go to the counter and order for both of us.
Are you sure? Thank you, Amelia. That's very kind of you.
No problem at all. I'll be right back.
Amelia walks to the counter to order their food and drinks. A few minutes later, the food arrives.
Oh, look! Here comes our food and drinks.
Finally, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Me too.
Let me try my coffee first.
Be careful. It might be very hot.
You're right. Let me wait a moment. Okay, now let me try it.
How is it? How is your coffee?
This coffee is really hot, and it smells wonderful.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very good. It's strong, just the way I like it. I really like strong coffee.
That's great. Let me try my iced latte now.
How is your iced latte?
Oh, it's so cold and smooth. This iced latte is really good. It's perfect for today.
Did they put sugar in it?
Yes, they did. It has just a little sugar. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's just right.
I'm glad you like it. Now, let me try my cake.
Oh, yes. Tell me how it is.
This cake is so good. It's really delicious. It's soft and sweet.
It looks so delicious. I want to try it too.
How about your sandwich? Try your sandwich first.
Okay, let me try it. This sandwich is so fresh. The bread is soft, and the vegetables are so fresh.
That sounds really good. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I like it a lot. It's very delicious. Do you want to try some of my sandwich?
Yes, please. Let me try a little. You're right. It is very fresh and delicious. The bread is really good, too.
I told you it's good, right? Can I try a little bit of your cake?
Of course. Here you go. Try it.
This cake is so sweet and so nice. It's amazing. This is a really good cake.
Right. Everything here is delicious. The food and the drinks are all really good.
I agree. The coffee is great. The latte is great. And the food is delicious.
This was a really good idea. I'm so happy we came to this cafe today. That was such a nice break. I feel so much better now.
Me too. I feel much better after that iced latte and sandwich.
My hot coffee was strong and fresh, just the way I like it.
And my iced latte was cold and smooth. It was perfect.
The cake was so sweet and delicious, too.
And my sandwich was so fresh. The bread was soft and everything was delicious. I really like this cafe. The food is delicious and the drinks are great.
I agree. And the tables and chairs are very comfortable. And the prices are very good, too.
The counter is nice. And the menu has so many choices.
Yes. And the staff are very nice and friendly.
I want to come to this cafe again. Let's come again soon.
Yes, I agree. This is my new favorite cafe. Let's come again.
How about next week?
Next week sounds great. Next time, I want to try a cappuccino. A cappuccino has more foam, right?
That's right. And I want to try an espresso next time. I've never had an espresso here.
An espresso is very strong and very small. You would love it.
And maybe we can try the muffins and the cookies next time too.
Yes, the cookies looked so good. And the muffins looked fresh.
And they had so many kinds of tea on the menu too. Maybe next time we can try the tea.
That would be nice. There is so much to try here.
We need to come back many times.
That's fine with me. I love cafe time. It makes me happy.
Me too. Cafe time is really nice. It's the best part of the day.
Okay. We should go back to the office now.
You're right. But I don't want to leave. I want to stay here and drink more coffee.
Me too. But we have work to do. Let's go back.
Okay, let's go. But let's come to this cafe again soon.
Definitely. Let's come again next week.
That sounds great. Okay, back to work.
Back to work.
How was it? Did you enjoy the story? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What kind of coffee does Alex like to drink? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. Even one simple sentence is perfect. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English more efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations. This will help beginners build listening and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment with your answer. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.